In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate iMessage and fix the waiting for activation or activation unsuccessful message on any iPhone. Activating iMessage should be a straightforward process, but at times it can be a bit tricky, especially with those persistent activation issues. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, make sure you have an active internet connection. Both Wi-Fi and cellular data will work, but a stable connection is crucial for the activation process. Now let's dive into a commonly overlooked setting that can affect iMessage. We're talking about your date and time settings. Head over to your iPhone settings, tap General, then Date and Time. Ensure you've enabled the Set Automatically option. This allows your device to sync automatically with the appropriate time zone, which is essential for verification during activation. Next, we need to make sure iMessage is turned on. Go to your settings again, scroll down to Messages and tap on it. Ensure that the iMessage toggle is in the on position. If it's turned off, just slide it to the right and it should turn green, indicating that it's now active. Now within the Messages section, look for Send and Receive. Tap it, and if you're not signed in with your Apple ID, go ahead and do that now. This step is vital because your Apple ID is linked to your iMessage service, and signing in should connect the dots, allowing messages to route properly through your Apple account. If you've done all that and the issue persists, it might be time to check for any software updates. Your iPhone should be running the latest version of its operating system to ensure optimal performance and bug fixes. Return to Settings, tap General, and then select Software Update. If there are updates available, install them. Finally, if after all these steps you still face issues, it may be helpful to reset the network settings on your device. Be mindful that doing this will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords. To proceed with this, go to Settings, scroll down to General, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, choose Reset and then Reset Network Settings. This step can often clear out glitches that are preventing the iMessage activation from completing successfully. By following these steps meticulously, you should be able to get your iMessage up and running. Sometimes these settings can seem a bit hidden, but understanding how each one contributes to the service can make all the difference. Remember, having a precise setup is key to smooth and successful activation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.